hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you, are you using ChatGPT and wondering if your chat are being used to train AI model? Well, the answer is yes, unless you turn off a specific setting. In this video I will show you exactly how to stop ChatGPT from using your personal data to train future AI model. So let's get started one by one. Okay, so I am using the ChatGPT mobile app in my phone, as you can see guys in my screen. So if you are using the ChatGPT in desktop or in any other web browser, so the procedure is little bit same. So just launch your ChatGPT and here go to your profile settings like this. Okay, and here you can get the option get data control. Just tap on it and simply you need to disable this option, improve the model for everyone. Just disable this option, that's it. So here you can get the details about this feature. As you can see guys, allow your content to be used to train our model, which make ChatGPT better for you and everyone who use it. We take step to protect your privacy. If you don't want to give your data control to ChatGPT to use in the AI models, so just you need to disable this option, that's it. Okay, now you know exactly how to stop ChatGPT from using your data for AI training. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any question. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.